In this question, we need to write a program that allows the user to create and store a checklist for a holiday. So it should start by asking them for a destination. So we need to ask for destination. So let's say holiday or destination is equal to input, enter holiday destination. Now it says create, so how many things they need to pack and how many tasks they need to complete. So to do that, we need to create two arrays. So first for pack list, and then we need one for tasks as well. So two empty arrays. Next it says ask how many things they need to pack, so we need to ask that. So item number is equal to int input how many items do you need to pack, and then it asks for task, so it says how many, as these are how many tasks they need to complete. So task num is equal int input how many tasks do you need to complete. So we'll use this to loop through our array and to add that amount of tasks and items. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to loop through the array to add the items to it. So first we need to loop through the array. So for I in range of 0 to item num. So this will add the amount of items to the array. And to add the amount, we need to append to it. So first we need to ask the question. So pack list, let's say pack is equal to input, enter name of item you want to pack. Next we need to append to the array, so pack list dot append. So we are adding to this array here. So we're appending pack. Now this is done, so we're adding the amount of items and each item name to pack list. Next we need to do the same for task nums, so name of the task. So for I in range of 0 to task num, and then we need to say task name, because we already created a array here with task. So task name is equal to input, enter the task. And now we need to append to task array. So task.append and then task name. So in this case, we're adding to this task. So we're filling it up with our task names. Okay, next we need to says create a checklist. So we need to create a text file. So to create a text file, remember, we need to create a file handler. So file handler, open, and then we want to let's use doesn't matter, so holiday, holiday.text, and then I want to write to it. Now I want to loop through the arrays to write from. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to say file.write, and then we're saying packed items, and then I want them on a new line. So this will say packed items, and then it will move to a new line. Next, I want to loop through my array to list the items. So we write for I in range of, for I in pack lists, and we want to write to it. So file.write, and then we'll write in everything inside our items. So let's change that to items, and then that to items as well, just to make it clear. So better variable names. So items will list in every item in backlist, and we're displaying it, or we're writing it to the file. But I want to add a new line after every item, so I write that. So plus new line, just to make sure every time we write the name of the items, we move to the next line. Okay, next we need to write about our tasks. So file.write task names, and then I want to move to a new line. Next, I want to use a for loop to loop through my tasks and write to the file. So for items again, and tasks this time, so we'll loop in through the task array, and then I want to write file.write again items plus new line. So this will write everything inside tasks on separate lines. And lastly, I want to close my file, and I want to say checklist completed. Okay, now I want to run my program. So first thing, it says enter holiday destination. Let's say Spain. How many items do you want to pack? Let's say 2. How many tasks do you need to pack? Say 3. So enter name of items. Let's just say A and B. For now, enter the task. Say GH F, and then we say task complete. So checklist completed. Now I want to see if my checklist was created. If I go to that same file and I check here, I can see packed list, so packed items, AB, and so on. And that's my program.